Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming Mac OS and opening accessibility because cursor options vary by version. First, click Apple menu and choose about this Mac to note your version. Once done, open System Settings or System Preferences on older Mac OS and go directly to Accessibility. Make sure you have an admin account or the ability to change settings. Without it, you can preview but not save. Now locate pointer control or mouse and trackpad. That's where we begin changing size, color, and pointer effects. Now you'll make the visible changes. Drag the cursor size slider to scale the pointer. Mac OS updates live so you see results immediately. Next, choose pointer outline thickness and color where offered. Pick high contrast hues to improve visibility. If your Mac OS supports pointer effects, toggle those to reduce distraction or enhance clarity. Also enable or test the Shake Mouse Pointer to Locate feature. It temporarily enlarges the cursor. Make sure to test with your typical apps to confirm legibility and comfort. Finish by applying changes and closing system settings. Mac OS usually saves automatically, so there's no save button. If some apps still show the old cursor, quit and reopen those apps, or log out and back in to force a refresh. For stubborn problems, reboot your Mac first. If the cursor remains incorrect, reset the accessibility pointer settings to defaults and reapply adjustments. One key troubleshooting tip: check for third-party cursor tools or screen recording utilities that can override pointer appearance and disable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.